Hello, beautiful souls! These are the materials we will need for our bracelet: 40 cm of cord for our band and 30 cm of cord for our closure. I use waxed polyester cord. We will also need seed beads. The ones I'm using are approximately 3 to 4 mm. And we will need a lighter and scissors. I will write the word love. I have my Morse code ready and I will be using black for the dots and white for the dashes. I have my beads ready. Now all we need to do is pass our beads through our string. If you want to find a Morse code chart, just Google Morse code and go to images. You will find plenty. Now that my beads are in the middle, I will make a knot on each side of my beads to secure them. My beads are 4 cm long, so I will need 11 cm of string on each side because I want my bracelet to open up to 25 cm and my closure takes up around 1 cm. Now it's time to make our closure. All we have to do is create 3 square knots. In the description below, you will find a full tutorial on how to make a square knot closure. Now that my closure is ready, all I have to do is make an overhand knot and cut the excess cord. I will burn the edges because I don't want the cord to fray. In the description below, I have a link to a wonderful Etsy shop that creates a lot of Morse code bracelets in different ways. I think you will be very inspired. Our bracelet is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more. You will help me a lot. Sending you love and light.